Let's go, everyone. It is officially summertime 2023, so gotta get your sunblock in. And this is a great one that I use because I like it, that it is a facial moisturizer plus broad spectrum SPF 35. So gotta protect your skin from the sun, guys and girls. This is UVB, UVA, all the UV protection, I believe, and SPF 35. So that's exactly what I'm looking for. This is my daily morning moisturizer, lightweight. Here we go. Needed another one for summer, so this is what it looks like. Wow. Nice green and white packaging. Trusted by dermatologists for over 75 years. Wow. Won't clog pores, that's important. Fragrance free. This is what it looks like, 3 ounces, and I will drop a link in the description, the video description below, on where I got this from if you are interested. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about this facial moisturizer with SPF 35, and if you prefer any other brands, let's talk in the description or in the comment section below. All right, everyone, hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Later.